How to trim Instagram story video. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can trim the video before you upload it on Instagram story. Now if you have tried it, if you open up Instagram and if you head into the story option there, you'll be able to upload a story. However, Instagram will upload the story itself and it'll upload the first 1 minute of your video. If you have longer video, you won't be able to trim it. If your video is longer than 1 minute, then it'll automatically upload the first 60 seconds of the video. Now how you can trim it, right? Now what you can do is you can simply tap on the plus icon there, and then instead of heading over to story option, you want to head into post section there, and here under post you can select the video, then tap on next here, and now you can trim it right here. You can tap on edit video and you can trim it here, save it, and you'll find this save icon at the top right corner of your screen, as you can see there. So you can save it, and once you save it, you can go ahead and upload it to your story. So this is the way that you can trim the Instagram story video. You won't get the option on the story. You can trim it on the post section and then you can upload it on the story. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.